Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to insert PowerPoint slides in OneNote. This is incredibly useful when you want to consolidate your presentation materials with your meeting notes or study resources, keeping everything organized in one place. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Make sure you're in the specific notebook where you want to add your PowerPoint content. This step is important because it sets the foundation for where your slides will ultimately be stored. Now, before we can insert anything, you need to have your PowerPoint slides ready. Head over to your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation and open the slide deck you wish to insert into OneNote. Once the presentation is loaded and you've identified which slides you want to transfer, navigate to the top part of your screen and click on the File tab. This tab is your gateway to various document management options, including the print feature we'll be using. From the File menu, look for the Print option and click on it. You'll be taken to the Print settings page where you have control over how your document will be processed. Here's where the magic happens. Click on the Printer drop-down menu, and instead of selecting a physical printer, select OneNote Desktop. This is the key step that allows you to send your PowerPoint slide directly into OneNote rather than printing it on paper. It's a seamless way to bridge the two applications. Once you've selected OneNote Desktop as your printer, click on the Print button. Give it a moment to process. You might notice a brief pause as the system prepares to transfer your content, so don't worry if it takes a second or two. Now, head back to your Microsoft OneNote application. You'll see a Select Location window appear on your screen. This pop-up is the direct result of the print action you just performed from PowerPoint. It's asking you to choose exactly where in your OneNote structure you want this slide to land. From the list of notebooks located below, select where you wish to add the slide. If you need to see all available pages within a notebook, click on the plus button next to the notebook name to expand and view all the pages inside. This gives you precise control over organization. Once you've selected the exact location, click on OK, and just like that, you'll see your PowerPoint slide added to your chosen notebook page. The slide will appear fully formatted and ready to reference whenever you need it. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted PowerPoint slides into OneNote, creating a centralized hub for your presentation materials and notes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.